you for coming back to my channel. Today we are making chin chin. So I'm using 6 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using half cup of sugar, baking powder, I'm using vanilla flavor, the powdered form. Just bringing out the essence, we are not wasting anything. So I've used 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and I mixed this together. So I added margarine. I'm using 125 grams of margarine here. Now I've combined this properly. For this recipe, I'm using 2 medium-sized eggs. And we're using half cup of milk. So I combine this together to form a dough. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking this video. If it's the first time of watching, thank you. Please subscribe to this channel for more recipes and other videos you definitely love. So I added a little water. Now my dough is properly formed. As you can see, I covered this for like 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, our dough is soft now and we are ready to go to the next step. So I just went on to knead this dough a little bit more to take out the air that might have been trapped in it. So I went on to divide the dough to 2 equal parts. I also divided this so I have this portion to work with. I sprinkled flour on my work table to make it easy. With the flour, it's easy to roll out our dough. And yes, we are using bottle. I don't have a rolling pin now, so now we are using what we have, and that's the bottle. You can even use your hand, use your palm to roll out your dough. Either way is fine. So I just roll this dough out a little bit more. And I started cutting my dough. As you can see, our chin chin is almost ready. Please click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. Helping my channel to grow. Please, and please like, comment, and share this video. And yeah, this is the cutting process. It's very easy. If you also have a pizza cutter, you can use pizza cutter. It's very much easy to use pizza cutter. And we went on with the process of cutting. Now we have the oil heating up and our chin chin is ready to fry. As you can see, this is just one part of the batches we have after cutting. So we went on to fry the batches. And yeah, this is our first fry. As you can see, this looks so good and it tasted really, really nice as well. We had to come outside to take another shot because the inner light, as you can see, is not doing justice to our chin chin. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.